Hello and welcome to Software to See from Festo. In this video I will show you the first commissioning of a CMMT-AS servo drive. For configuring devices you need the suitable plugin installed. So the first thing we want to do is check the Backstage menu, Repositories, Plugins, and see if the CMMT-AS plugin is installed. Next, in a project, browse for example to EtherCAD Slave, Festo, electric drives, and then select the drive in question. In my case it's a C4 3A, and double click the device icon to open the plugin. The plugin then greets you with two prominent options: first setup wizard or manual setup. I'm choosing the first setup wizard here, and the first step in here is to do the drive configuration, that is to select which motor, which axis, and which mounting kit you use, and if so, which gear. You can select a component by, for example, searching for its part number, or via its name, like that. And for the mounting kit, if there is a suitable mounting kit, you see those checks here next to them. So those three mechanically fit to this motor and this axis, and I'm picking just one of these. The next step are some general device settings, how you want to enable the drive, either via IOs and fieldbus or just by fieldbus, whatever. And for markets with other supply voltage than 230 volts, you can choose the supply voltage here. Next comes the application data. Here you can enter your application mask that is installed on top of the axis. And the graphics here show you a view on top of the axis system, and here you can click where your motor is installed, and then you see how the coordination system will be oriented then. If you're not happy with that, just click on the arrow here, or select or deselect the checkbox below here. Then select your hardware switches. I've got normally closed limit switches here and no homing switch. And choose your homing method. I'm going for the negative hardware limit switch. And on the next page you can set up your software limits. The graphics that you can see here is interactive. So if I, for example, move my axis 0 point by, say, 50 millimeters, you see the effect in the graphics that along with the axis 0 point, the negative software limit has been moved too. And you can also click in here and grab those icons here and move them. And here by this arrow you can see from where the measurement is taken. Now we see a warning here because the span between the negative and the positive software limit is too high. It is longer than the length of the axis, which is 600 millimeters in my case. To resolve this, I can hover with the mouse here over this, what we call a dorner, and a pop-up opens. And here you can see the recommended maximum value now. If I click on that, I can apply the value and the warning disappears because the inconsistency has been removed. Now we can finish the first setup wizard. And in the background, the closed loop parameters are now calculated, taking the configured components into account and the application mass. My recommendation is to then check the correct parameters wizard and check all parameters here to apply recommended values for limits. And the next step then is to connect to the drive and download the parameters in there. In order to do so, I click on the IP address, and now the network is scanned and compatible devices are listed here. I select the one I want to connect with and apply the IP address and connect to the device. The device has factory default values on it, so I need to, of course, write the parameters into the device. The device now shows an error. In order to check, we just hover with the mouse over the icon here and see parameter set not found. That's normal because the device had factory defaults, so there were no parameters on the drive. I can acknowledge that, take over control, enable the power stage, and proceed to control in order to start the homing. Now the limit switch has been reached, the system is homed, Now we can continue to commission, doing jogging or single step positioning, like 10 millimeters forwards or backwards, or do a positioning on a certain position, like 230 millimeters, for example. This was the first commissioning of a CMMT-AS servo drive with Festo Automation Suite and the CMMT-AS plugin. If you like the videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep yourself informed. Bye bye.